Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to know if your dishes are clean or dirty. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who live with multiple people within a household and they all use a dishwasher. How do you actually know if the dishwasher is clean or dirty? So I ran into this problem myself, and the way to actually do this is that I got this magnet here that simply says clean or dirty. Now with that, there are going to be some discrepancies sometime in which even if you didn't have the magnet, some people would argue. They would just say, check the dishes and see if it's clean or dirty. But there are some times in which the dishes do seem clean, but they're actually dirty. And that's where this magnet comes in. So I'll leave a link to this down below in the description, where this magnet, every time we clean the dishes or turn the dishwasher on, we set this to clean. And then once we take all the dishes out and return them to the cabinets up top, we simply slide it to dirty. So this has been an absolute phenomenal way for us to figure out when the dishes are clean or dirty without having to actually go ahead and open it up and see the dishes. So with that, because this is dirty right now, you would simply just open it up, place the dishes, and then by habit, once we turn the dishwasher on, we set this to clean, and then once we put the dishes away, we set it to dirty. So this magnet has been extremely helpful. I'll leave a link to this down below in the description. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.